Assalamualaikum and hi everybody. So today we are going to do question 1 of set practice 5.9. So I read out the question. A wire is cut into a few pieces in which 10x centimeter, 4x plus 20 centimeter, 3x minus 10 centimeter are the three consecutive pieces of a geometric progression. A. Find the longest piece if 10x is the second longest term. Right. So whenever this is because this is an arrangement of geometric progression, we use the concept of ratio, that is the second in the arrangement divided by the first is equals to the third divided by the second one. Okay, and then we cross multiply, so we have 4x plus 20 times 4x plus 20 equals to 10x times 3x minus 10. And then we expand the bracket, we'll have 16x squared plus 80x plus 80x plus 400 equals 30x squared minus 100x. Okay, since I have here 16x squared and then this is 30x squared, so I just bring everything from the left to the right. So 30x squared minus 14x squared. So we have 0 equals 14x squared, and then negative 100, you bring everything here, become negative 160. So altogether negative 260x. Then 400, it become negative 400. So in this case, we can simplify if you wish. If you do not want to simplify, that is okay. Just press the calculator. So we have here 7x squared minus 130x minus 200. So assuming that we can factorize this using calculator, I just use calculator into the function, quadratic function. So A will be 7, B is negative 130, and C is negative 200. So the first x will be 20, the second x is negative 1.42. So does it mean I can, I can, but the answer is logical. Okay, because the first answer, the first x is 20, the second x is negative 10 over 7. 10 over 7, so this one is that x minus 20, and this is 7x plus 10. Okay, so we have got the value of x. Okay, why we cannot use this? Because we are talking about a wire. A wire cannot have negative value. Okay, right. So, so we take x as 20. Let me look at the diagram here. Okay, I have spaces here. Right. I have x equal to 20. I will substitute into this arrangement. Okay, so I will do it here. So if x is 20, it will be 200. 4 times 20 plus 20 will be 100. And then 3 times 20 minus 10 will be 50. Okay, so from this arrangement, okay, what's the question again? Find the longest part if 10x is second longest. Okay, so we are talking about this is the second longest. So we have another one here because this arrangement is decreasing in order. Okay, look at how I know is just look at the 200, 150 after I substitute with the values of x. Okay, so how to get this? If you go from there here to here, will be divided by 2 or times 1 over 2. So for this one, you times this 2. So you have 400 is the longest part. Okay, so the answer for A would be 400 centimeter. Okay, all right. Okay, so for B, if the wire is cut into some to infinity pieces, find the maximum length of the wire. What does it mean by cut it into some to infinity? So you look at here again. First piece of wire is 400 centimeter, and then 200, and then 100, and then 50, and then we just continue from here 25, then it becomes 12.5, then become 6.25, then become okay. So we just add all these numbers. So actually it will be to infinity. You are cutting smaller and smaller, but at one instance is very small. Okay, so how to calculate sum to infinity? So sum to infinity will be A over 1 minus R. So A will be 400, and 1 minus R is let's say 100 divided by 200 will be 1 over 2. So 1 over 2, so 400 divided by half, so it will become 800. So 800 centimeter. Okay, so this 800 centimeter means if you add these numbers, 400 plus 200 plus 100 plus 50, and so on and so forth until you cannot cut anymore, it will become almost 800. Okay, so the sum to infinity will be 800. So your answer here will be almost 800 only.